In this problem, we'll factor a polynomial. We'll factor 3w squared minus 75. The first thing we'll do is look for any common factors. There is a common factor of 3, so I will begin by factoring out the common factor of 3. I have 3 times w squared minus 25. Now I look at the polynomial inside the parentheses. It has 2 terms. The only way that I know at this point to factor 2 terms is if that is a difference of squares. And to see if it is, well, I can see that w squared is a square and 25 is a square. I'm going to write that as w squared minus 5 squared. Since we have 2 square terms and 1 is subtracted, we have a difference of squares. And I can factor this as 3 times w plus 5 times w minus 5. Since neither binomial can be factored further, we have factored this polynomial completely.